The moment I laid eyes on the Vernoi pepper sizzling on the clay hearth, I knew Kristari's coastal market had something special. These bright red pods, plump as small boats, carry a thin, crisp skin that crackles the instant you bite. Here in the harbour district of Silverbeak Cove, fisherfolk unload fresh sea sprout and Luna mushrooms at dawn, while spice traders from the Amber Hills deliver rare beryl oil and ancient wild fenocress. I snagged a seat on a low wooden stool right at the fire pit, where the air carries salty spray and the soft hum of festival drums. Today's the harvest of light. First, the chef slides one pepper boat onto a large platter. Each Vernoi pepper is split open, its seeds carefully removed, leaving a natural bowl. They are brushed with smoky beryl oil pressed from the fat seeds of the highland beryl tree and roasted over olive wood embers. The smell is like honeyed smog sailing over the sea. Once lightly charred, the bowls are packed with chopped sea sprout, a pentagram that tastes of fresh tide pools mixed with spring grass. Next comes diced Luna mushrooms, a local fungus that resembles oyster mushrooms but holds up better to heat. It's springy, almost meaty, with a mild earthiness that pairs perfectly with the sea sprout brininess, while the boats finish in a steam chamber filled with Seaflower Mist, fine saltwater vapor drawn from nearby coves. I asked the chef about its origin. He grins, wiping sweat from his brow. My grandmother taught me at 12. We capture high tide spray in clay jars and heat seaweed over hot stone. The rising steam carries ocean minerals right into the dish. In Kristari, they believe food should echo the land and the sea in every bite. When the lid lifts off, a gentle swirl of mist dances around the platter. The final touch is a ribbon of fenocress relish, a bright green paste made from raw seed wild fennel, fresh basilela leaves, and a squeeze of samples of nectar, a sweet, slightly tangy syrup pressed from early morning blossom. A sprinkle of crushed coral salt, harvested by hand from the seabed, adds a faint crunch. I take my first forkful. The pepper skin gives way instantly, releasing a sweet, juicy flood that mingles with the smokiness of the oil. The sea sprout adds a saline snap, like biting into a wave. Then the Luna mushrooms, so tender but firm, bring a deep umami note. Finally, the fenocress relish ties it all together, leaving a peppery herbal zing on my tongue. Behind me, families gather at long wooden tables to celebrate the half-harvest festival. Children chase lanterns shaped like tiny books. Old fishermen lift their glasses, toasting the ocean and the hills that cradle this unique bounty. This simple dish, Vernoi Pepper Boats with hot sea sprout and Luna mushroom, feels like the very soul of Kristari on a plate. It's a taste born of centuries of trade and tradition, sun and salt, fire and mist. Trust me, once you feel that mist on your face and that flavor in your mouth, you'll be planning your voyage here before sunset.